Hi, good afternoon, morning, whatever time it is, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my living room for our physics field trip. And Freya and I are here. Say hi to Freya. Freya, sit. Want to say hi? Oh, yeah, she's my good girl. And we are going to be showing you how forces applied at an angle are going to impact the acceleration of that object. Okay, so I tried to get Freya to sit in the chair so I could push it around and show you, but she was having none of it. So instead of having Freya pushed around in the chair, I've got a lovely little stuffed dragon who's agreed to participate in the video. A student of mine from last semester made this for me. Is gorgeous. Like, she did a great job of him. She sewed him. So he's going to help us with our physics video today, and he's going to ride around in the chair as we are going to push/pull this chair. Hello, Freya. While we are going to analyze the forces and how that impacts the acceleration. I think she's jealous that I'm talking to you guys and that I'm not paying attention to her. Yes, Freya, I get it. You want to be the center of attention. Let me film my video. Okay. So I'm going to adjust this here so you guys can get a better view of the chair. Okay, come here, Fran. Come here. Thank you. Out of the way. Good girl. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at when we're pushing down on an object while we are pushing it forward. So if I get a hold of the arms of the chair here, I push down and then I walk forward. So when I'm doing that, I'm applying a force down this way as well as a force this way. It's going to result in a net force at an angle on that object. So the component that is going to be impacting the acceleration is going to be that on the x, the part where I'm walking forward. Where I'm pushing down on that object, that is not going to impact the acceleration, but that will impact the normal force. The harder I push down on the object, the more force of friction I'm going to have, because remember, force of friction is mu Fn. I'm going to push down on an object. Oh, good girl. Thank you for bringing me your skunk. What a good girl. She likes to bring you her toys to show them to you, to show you what a good girl she is, that she has got this item. She's silly. And so when you push down on an object, you are going to be increasing the force that chair is going to be put, the ground is going to be applying to the chair. And because force of friction is mu Fn, the harder I push down on the chair, the higher the force of friction is going to be. And we're going to look at how to calculate that in question number 2 of the notes. Okay, so next piece we're going to look at is if we're going to pull the chair using some string. Now, I've raided some of the old junky yarn from my crocheting pile here. There we go. Dragon's going to get a good view. And I'm then going to pull the chair along with a string the same way you would pull a toboggan. Now, when you pull, you're going to have an upward force. Notice I can lift that up. That is going to be applying force on the y. When you pull upwards to pull the chair, that is not contributing. The upward force on the y is not going to be contributing to the acceleration. Okay, so that the force that's being applied to the acceleration is the force on the y. Okay, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is also going to have an impact on your mu as well. Or not your mu, excuse me, your force of friction. Because when I'm pulling upwards, I'm going to be reducing the normal force. And because I'm lifting the chair off the ground a little bit. And by reducing the normal force, I'm going to be reducing the force of friction. So we're going to be talking a little bit about that in question number 2 as well. So the impact of having a force applied on the y on that object. So I think Freya really wants to show you guys a trick. Do you want to show you a trick? Freya, sit. Freya, shake. Oh, good girl. What a good dog. Oh, yeah, she's a good girl. Yes. So she's a little bit jealous because I've been spending so much time making videos for you guys today. I'm not paying attention to her. So she wanted to be in today's video, as you guys can definitely see. Yeah, she likes attention. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and that you all stay warm, stay safe, stay healthy, all of that good stuff. And I will talk to you guys later. All right, you want to say bye, Freya? You want to say bye? Yeah, say bye. Yeah, she says bye. All right, talk to you guys later.